Good morning, everyone. First, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Jennifer Chaniago, and these are my friends Asma Mahduroh and Aldiansyah. Today, we want to talk about something that is currently being widely discussed in Indonesia, which is the Makan Bergizi Gratis program or MBG program. This program was created by the government with the goal of providing free nutritious meals for students in schools. The idea behind this program is actually very good because good nutrition is very important for students. When students eat healthy food, they can be more focused in the class, have more energy to study, and support their growth and development. In many countries, similar programs already exist and are used to help students, especially those from families who may not always have access to nutritious food. So, in theory, this program could be very beneficial for students. However, even though the idea of the program sounds very positive, there are also some concerns from the public. One of the main reasons is because the program uses a very large amount of government budget. Since the money comes from public funds, many people expect that the program should be implemented carefully and give real benefits to students. Recently, several issues related to the program have appeared and started to attract public attention. These issues make people question whether the program is being implemented effectively. One of the biggest concerns is related to food safety, which will be explained by my friend.
Okay, thank you, Jennifer. Uh, One of the most concerning issues related to the MBK program is student safety, especially about the food that is given to the students. Recently, there have been several reports where students experience food poisoning after eating the meals provided by the program. This is obviously very worrying because the main purpose of the program is to help students not to create new problems. Uh, Food poisoning can happen when food is not prepared properly, when hygiene standards are not followed, or when the food is not stored in the right conditions, because the MBG program distributes food to many students every day. The food preparations process must be handled very carefully. If the food preparation process is not well controlled, even a small mistake can affect many students at the same time. That is why food safety should become a top priority in this program. Another issue is the supervision of the program. Many people feel that the monitoring system should be stronger. The government needs to make sure the food providers follow strict hygiene standards and that the food given to students is safe and nutritious. Also, when incidents like food poisoning happen, the response from authorities should be quick and transparent. Parents and students need to feel confident that the food provided in school is safe to eat. Besides the safety issue, another important topic is whether the program is reaching the students who actually need it, which will be explained by my friends.
Thank you, Jennifer and Asma. So another issues related to MBG program is about whether the program is reaching the right target. Program like this are usually designed to help students from low-income families who might not always have access to nutrition meals at home. The main goal is to support students who really need help. However, some people argue that the program might not always reach the right group of students. In some cases, the food is distributed to all students equally, regardless of their economic background. While giving food to all the students might seem fair, it can also reduce the effectiveness of the program, especially considering that the budget used for this program is very large. These problems could happen because of inaccurate data, lack of coordination, or weak monitoring during the implementation of this program. Because of this challenge, the government should regularly evaluate the program and improve the system to make sure that the support goes to students who need it the most. In conclusion, the MBK program actually has a very good intention, which is the improve student nutrition and support their learning process. However, there are still several challenges that need to be addressed, such as food safety, supervision, and targeting of the beneficiaries. If this issue can be improved, the program has a potential to become a very helpful program for the student in Indonesia. Thank you everyone. Thank you friends. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.